Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all have done the FA1 test. Okay, it was easy, children. Did you understand what ma'am had done? Ma'am had given only one lesson, that is Raksha Bandhan. Okay, daily you have to revise all the lessons till now what ma'am has done. Second exam when we'll give, we'll let you know, children. Daily you have to learn the spellings, difficult words, and try to practice textbook reading, children. Daily keep your finger and go on reading. At least half an hour you sit in front of this textbook and start reading. Okay. Today we are going to Unit 3, Two Friends. Open your textbook, page number 34. Did you open, children? Shall I start? Okay. What they are given? Answer the riddle. First one they are given here. See, Unit 3, this is page number 34. Rearrange the letter to find the word. One letter they are given, we have to rearrange this after this. I am a worm, I live on a farm. I am the friend of the farmer, I make the soil fertile. Who am I? This is a riddle. Okay, again I'll read. I am a worm, I live on a farm. I am the friend of a farmer, I make the soil fertile. Who am I? So, they are asked, you have to rearrange one letter. They are given one letter, that is M, R, O, W, H, T, R, A, E. So, you have to rearrange and write the correct word, letter. What is this? In the picture, can you see? After reading this riddle, what is this? It is an earthworm which will be in the soil, it will fertile, it will become fertile, will get very good manure out of this. So, it is an earthworm, so only it will be in the earth, in the soil it will mix, it will give what they will say as gobra, no? That is manure. So, correct spelling is earthworm, E, A, R, T, H, earth, W-O-R-M. It is a correct word. Okay, children? See, E-A-R-T-H, W-O-R-M, earthworm. Okay? I think you have not seen. To ask your parents, children. And inside the soil, it will be earthworm. Okay? Shall I start the lesson now? Keep your finger, children. Two friends. Two friends, Rohan and Sohan, were passing through a forest to reach Mohan's house on the other side of the forest. Who were going, children, to the other side of the forest? Rohan and Sohan. They were passing through the forest to reach Mohan's house because it was other side of the forest. This is a forest picture. Can you see? Two friends, they both are standing in front of the tree. They wanted to go to Mohan's house. Talking to each other, they slowed down and did not realize that they had to leave the forest as quickly as they could. When you talk to your friends, you will be talking and enjoying, you will forget the time also, children. Like this only Rohan and Sohan did. They wanted to reach Mohan's house other side of the forest. What they did, they slowed down and did not realize that they had to leave the forest quickly. They didn't leave. They forgot completely when they were talking together. Going under the trees, they suddenly heard trampling steps behind them. When they was going near the trees, they heard some sound. Though both of them felt there was someone behind them. What they felt, they were only both know something walking sound, something they heard. They could not see anything. Soon they saw a bear chasing them. Soon what they saw? They saw a bear. Can you see this in the picture? The bear chasing them. Both of them were afraid. When you see the bear, are you afraid? No, all are afraid. But also in the forest. Rohan, who was the leader of the two, ran fast and climbed up a tree. Leaner means he was thin. Who was thin? Rohan was thin. So he went, what he went? When he saw the bear, he ran and climbed up a tree. There were not many trees of type of this. Hefty Sohan would climb. But what there was many small little trees only. But Sohan, he was hefty means he was fat. Rohan was thin. He could not climb the tree. Moreover, he didn't know how to climb a tree, even though he doesn't know how to climb the tree. As Rohan had already climbed the tree, there was no help from his side either, because he had already climbed up the tree. But what about Sohan? He could not climb. He doesn't know to climb also. Realizing that he had to help himself, Sohan stood and thought for a moment. What he has to realize himself. What he did? He stood in one place and was thinking of himself. He remembered that he was either told that if he was still and made the animal think that no living being was before him, bear would go away. He lay down as if he was dead. What he thought of a mind, what he thought, front of the bear is simply lie down, just like dead body. Simply. See, he is sleeping here. He did not climb the tree, doesn't know to climb the tree. He did one idea. What idea he did? He simply lie down. He lay down as if he was dead. Just like dead body, he lied down, closed his eyes and all. His parents had told him that bear do not attack dead creatures. Because he thought of his parents, what the parents had told him, when the dead body is there, bear will never attack. So he thought of that and he did the trick there. The bear came up to him, sniffed Sonu's still face and thinking him to be dead, went away. Sniffed means he smelled it. See, the smelling that's here. Can you see this? Smell that he thought. Still face and all it smell and thinking him that he is dead. So that bear went away. What idea I did, children? You have to think of that. Okay, next. When Rohan saw the bear going away, he climbed down the tree and asked Sohan, what did the bear whisper in your ear? What Rohan did? What did he do? When Rohan saw the bear going, when he was on the top of the tree, he saw the bear going. What did Rohan do? He climbed down the tree and asked Sohan, what did the bear whisper in your tree ear? When the bear was sniffing his face, he thought something bear is telling in the ears. So what did he do? He said to me, never travel with a person who leaves you behind in an hour of need. Isn't it good? Replied Sohan. What he told? Nothing bear has told, but he did some idea. But he told Rohan, he said to me, what? Who said? Bear said to me, never travel with a person who leaves you behind in the hour of need. Who leaves you and look after this one, protection. You should not believe them. Isn't it good? Replied Sohan. This is what happened, children. When two friends will be there, whichever close you will be, what you will do when you will look after your safety. He didn't think of him because he knew to climb the tree, he climbed. What about Sonu? But he had some idea he did, he was saved, children. What is this in the story? Should be helpful for each and everyone. Should be helpful for your friends also, children. So in this one, I will give you some difficult words. You have to underline that. First we will learn the meaning. New words. I have given the textbook, children, page number 36. This is new words. C-R-E-A-T-U are creature. What is this? Any living being. Any living creature means any living being. New words in this lesson. Trump, T-H-R-U-M-P, U-M-P. Walk heavily. H-E-A-V-I-L-Y. Heavily. Whisper. W-H-I-S-P. Yeah, whisper. Speak very softly. Very softly. Pretend. P-R-E-T-E-N-D. Pretend. Always pretend. I want no homework. You pretend like I'm not feeling well. That is the word that. Make believe. Make believe to act. What I gave you example, children. Okay? You will pretend, no, ma'am, I am not done homework, do something will tell, sir, ma'am, I was not feeling well. Suddenly you will start telling your pains. So in this lesson, two friends, difficult words. Rohan, underline that, children. Sohan, passing. You have to learn all these spellings. Mohan, then realized, quickly, suddenly, trumping, T-H-U-M-P-I-N-G, linear, L-E-A-N-E-R, climb. Are you underlining, children? These are the difficult words in this lesson. Hefty, H-E-F-T-Y. Hefty. Write this also. Remember. Earlier, animal. All this you have to underline and write 3 times, children. Dead, creature, C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E, creature. Attack, A-T-T-A-C-K, attack. Sniff, S-N-I-F-F-E-D, sniff. Climb, whisper, W-H-I-S-P-E-R, whisper. Travel, T-R-A-V-E-L, travel. So these are the difficult words in this two friends lesson, children. Next class we'll go to question answers, discuss the pair words and complete the following. That and all we'll do in the next class, children. Today what you learned? You learnt about two friends, how to be with two friends, how you have to help each other, and also learn about the earthworm which will be in the soil, children. Okay, you have to read this lesson. How many times you have to read? 3 times. The spellings you have to write homework 3 times. Write this in your homework, 4 lines. Okay, children. Bye, children. See you in the next class.